We really welcome the 30-day extension. We have about 33% of our families compliant at this point, 33% of our students, that is. And although we are expecting a significant increase by the start of school, the 30-day period will allow us to keep kids in classes.